Siri just got a massive AI glow-up, and she's flaunting a completely new look. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. At Apple's big WWDC event, the tech giant unveiled Siri AI. Gone is the flashy, colorful, glowing orb we all know. Siri's embracing a moody, metallic, grayscale vibe to prove she's officially a mature tech queen. Getting her attention is totally different now too. Say goodbye to that awkward double tap at the bottom of your phone screen that always ruined your gaming sessions. Now you just swipe down from the top center. And on iPads, this looks like a mesmerizing black droplet oozing down your finger. Once Siri pops up, you can type or talk to her. Even cooler, Siri now has her own dedicated diary app. It saves your deep conversations into cute title cards while smartly deleting boring one-off questions like the daily weather check. Mac users are getting wild new shortcuts too. Pressing Command-Shift-Space lets Siri scan your entire screen to instantly pull event details or images. Plus, the camera app now has a dedicated Siri mode. In action, Siri AI is lightning fast, serving up detailed travel itineraries and smart advice in under a second. But don't expect to gossip with her just yet. Right now, Siri AI is locked behind an invite-only waitlist for tech nerds brave enough to run buggy beta software. The rest of the world has to wait until the official fall rollout. Meanwhile, Apple fans in China are completely blocked due to regulations, and users in the European Union are facing a major buzzkill due to strict privacy standoffs. For them, the new iPhone and iPad AI features won't be available. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.